Mike, thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning.
Talk to me about a business process where contextual accumulation shows up within your organization.
Oh, yes. So when I think of banking, we have several different apps, right? You've got your mobile app, you got your web presence, you got the IVR, all these different transactions flowing to you. And then, hey, you have hiccups in the middle of the night with the system, a batch process hung up. And oh, by the way, hey, a new company comes in and wants to move $2 billion. What's the hurdles that you have to accomplish all these different goals? And they all come at you in one central place, right?
That's a challenge for sure. What would it mean for your organization if you're able to streamline this process?
Yeah, when I think of agents and being able to handle this, no longer are we bound by, let's say, the legacy RPA in the sequential world where we have to like go step by step, but we can be analyzing, systems off to the side, the transaction thresholds, the risk factors that come into play. And when you get that just mecca of all these different things coming at you and then analyzing in real time and then solutioning in real time, the transactions are seamless to the client. Our time to handle is dramatically reduced, freeing people up, and then our cost efficiency ratio just goes very, very well for us.
I love that. So sometimes it could be a business process issue. Sometimes it's an issue with underlying platforms, and you need to be able to figure that out. Cool. Yeah. Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was excellent.
Awesome.
Thank you, Mike.